Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol DPW. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Quite the eventful day today from the price action standpoint and well above average volume, although very tricky from a presentation standpoint where I sit because there's a lot of perspective that goes into it. What do I mean by that? Well, if you're some sort of day trader, flipper, scalper, whatever you want to call yourself, and you bought right there, maybe you bought right there, and your plan was to buy and sell within 20 minutes, well then yeah, from that angle, the chart looks really bad. However, from the angle of just big picture point of view, then yeah, there was a large pullback. But from the grand scheme of it all, the price does still have plenty of opportunity to chip away and build a higher base. And that's how long-term uptrends are constructed. Just higher bases being put into play over extended periods of time. And that's going to be the viewpoint that I'm, talking about things from. And I'm not saying at all that's what's going to actually happen, but just for explanation's sake, let's say a bigger pullback happens and the price goes down to $2.40. So price goes down to $2.40, behaves like that, and then begins to work its way back upwards. Now, emphasis here on big picture. From the big picture point of view, what would you have? Well, you'd have a set of lows there. You'd have a set of lows there. You'd have lows there. You'd have those lows. If you envision each one of those as stair steps, what do you have? Well, from the big picture, you'd still very clearly have stair steps making progress in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And in this situation, quote unquote, progress being defined as $2.40. As far as areas of resistance are concerned, main level to watch right up there at $2.80 will be that first key level. If the price can push up through $2.80, that next key level up there right there at the $3 mark. So keep an eye on those couple of levels moving forward. But at the end of the day, like I said, as long as the price is building those higher bases, that's what matters most. Just focus on the healthy consolidations, focus on chipping away and building higher bases. And then as long as that occurs, everything else takes care of itself. But overall, interesting day today. Yeah, pretty shaky, but still one day left this week. So let's see how things play out on Friday. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.